Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of December 18th, 2020. Here are some upcoming events. Winter break starts tomorrow through Monday, January 4th. December 23rd begins voting for the Palm Beach Post Best School in Palm Beach County. Thank you to the parents who voted to nominate us for this award. Now that we're in the top 5, we must vote every day from December 23rd until January 11th to win this incredible award again. I will send out an email during winter break with the link to click to vote for PBMA. Please vote every day. Thank you for your support of this school. Thursday, January 14th will be a secondary stakeholders meeting. All parents and community members are encouraged to participate in this virtual meeting and give their input to make our secondary school the very best it can be. More information will be sent home soon. The secondary school had their winter bulletin board contest. Here are some pictures. Here are some pictures of our elementary first trimester award winners. Here's a message from Miss Roop.
Hi, PBMA families. I just wanted to take some time to wish everybody a happy, healthy, and safe winter break. And we will see everybody back either in distance learning or back at the school building on January 4th. Have a great winter break and happy holidays.
Both campuses participated in an ugly sweater contest. Even Mr. Andrew Pond's new puppy Lincoln got into the spirit. Here are the pictures. Here's a message from Miss Murphy.
Good morning, PBMA families and students. This is Miss Murphy, the principal at the secondary campus. I'd like to tell you about a few things that are coming up during and after our holiday break. Prior to the holiday break, we will be mailing out progress reports for all students. For those of students who have obtained the honor roll status, you will receive your certificates through the mail. We cannot express how proud we are of all of the work that you did to achieve the grade levels and the attendance that you made. The next thing that we have coming up in January, on the 14th, is our annual stakeholders meeting. We invite you all to attend and look forward to sharing thoughts and ideas with you. Another fun item that we have coming up in January is our lip sync battle. Yes, we do want to see how you lip sync to your songs. Remember, when you pick your songs, they have to be friendly to entire school environment, and you can show your moves, whatever that may be. We're going to show you a little bit of our holiday moves before we go. We wish everyone a happy and healthy holiday season.
Here are the secondary sharks of the week. On behalf of PBMA, I want to wish you and your family a very happy, healthy, safe holiday season and a very happy new year. Please remember to like and follow us on Facebook to stay informed of important information. I'm Mrs. Cooper, and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.